This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Use 1 3x 3 inches sticky note with the adhesive strip at the top. Work on a flat surface about 12 inches clear around you for safe folding. Hold the note with the adhesive strip facing away from you. Align the bottom edge to the top without stretching the paper. Press firmly along the fold so the crease is sharp and even. Keep fingers close to the fold to control the paper and prevent tearing. Fold the bottom edge up to meet the top edge and press to form a 1/4 crease. Unfold the note and then fold the lower left corner into the center line. Repeat with the lower right corner so the paper forms a narrow triangle body. Fold each side inward again to tighten the nose and create a sleek point. Make folds sharp by running a fingernail along each crease to increase rigidity and flight stability. Tuck the pointed tip into the adhesive strip to lock the dart nose securely. Trim any excess paper if the tip is bulky and unbalanced. Hold the dart between thumb and index finger near the center of mass. Aim slightly above your target and use a gentle wrist flick for consistent flight. Practice 3 throws from a distance of about 6 feet to gauge power and angle. Adjust by adding small outer folds to the wings for lift or weight at the nose for straighter flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.